How to fix Xiaomi 15 can't receive text messages. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold volume up button and power button at the same time like that. And then swipe up to restart your device. And then turn on your device again. After that, check your network connection will work properly or not. After checking your network connection, then open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. And then click on manage apps and search here messages. Now click on messages and then click on storage. Now here you can clear your messages storage. After clear your messages storage, then go back to the main page of your settings and then click on about phone and then click on Xiaomi Hyper OS. Now here you can check your updates. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on more connectivity options. And here you can see the option reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Now click on it and here you can reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.